Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by configuring the router because the Xbox cannot run most VPN apps directly. First, flash or verify router firmware, DDWRT, Tomato, or vendor VPN support, then enter your VPN provider credentials. Once done, create a new VPN profile on the router and choose OpenVPN for stability. Make sure encryption and DNS options align with the provider's guide. You do this now to route the Xbox traffic without extra devices and to retain full network connectivity for other devices. Next, load the VPN configuration. Upload the OFPN file or manually input server address, port, and protocol, UDP for speed, TCP for reliability. Enter the username and password, install provider CA certificates if required, and set DNS to the VPNs or to a public resolver to avoid leaks. Once configured, enable the router kill switch and routing policies. Then reboot the router and verify the WAN IP reflects the VPN location, so every device, including your Xbox, will use the tunnel. Finally, connect your Xbox Series X to the router network. Wired gives better stability, but Wi-Fi works. Go to Network Settings, Test Network, and check NAT type. If NAT is strict, ensure UPnP is enabled on the router or configure port forwarding for Xbox Live ports. Once the Xbox shows the VPN IP, launch a game and confirm latency is acceptable. If something fails, check router VPN logs, switch VPN servers, reboot devices, or contact the VPN provider for router-specific troubleshooting. This usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.